So guys, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm uploading this video once again. So guys, uh, in your Google Sheets account, so you cannot duplicate your Google Sheet from here. So now you can see there is only four options available: rename, remove, open in new tab, and available offline. But if you want to create the duplicate of this to-do list or others Google Sheets file, then what to do? In this video, I'm going to teach about that thing. Okay, so it's so much easy. So first of all, you have to open that spreadsheet which you want to duplicate. Then now we can see I opened this sheet, and after that just you have to click in the file, and now you can see here there is four options available: new, open, import, and make a copy. And you have to click here, and this you have to click in the make a copy, and it is asking me the name. I'm giving to do list second copy, second file. Okay, then after that just you have to click in the okay. Otherwise you can otherwise you can copy your all the comment, or you can check in the share it with the same people, okay, if you want. But in just you want to duplicate your spreadsheet, then you don't have to click here. Okay, so that's why. So now we can see here I created the to-do list second file, the duplicate file. All the contents came directly inside my another list. So guys, now you can see here before there was only one to-do list, right? Now in this time I have two to-do list. This one was the master copy, and this is the duplicate file. So in this way you can duplicate your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Hoping that you get few ideas. So if you want to know more about Google Spreadsheet, then let me know in the comment section. I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.